This Cadillac Escalade ESV has a dependable gas 6.2 liters/376 engine powering this automatic transmission. Wheels, 22x9, 55.9 cm x 22.9 cm, 7-spoke aluminum with premium paint and chrome inserts. STD, transmission, 8-speed automatic, 8L90, STD, seats, second row bucket, power configurable, STD. These packages will make your Cadillac Escalade ESV Premium Collection the envy of Onlookers. Premium Collection preferred equipment group includes standard equipment, jet black, leather seating surfaces with mini perforated inserts, engine, 6.2 liters V8 with active fuel management, spark ignition direct injection, SIDI, and variable valve timing. VVT, includes aluminum block construction, 420 horsepower, 313.2 kilowatts, at 5,600 revolutions per minute, 460 pounds-to-foot of torque, 621 Nm, at 4,100 revolutions per minute. STD, engine block heater, crystal white tricoat, Cadillac Q information and media control system with embedded navigation, 8 diagonal color information display featuring touch response, haptic feedback, gesture recognition, enhanced voice recognition and phone integration for Apple CarPlay capability for compatible phone. 5 USB ports, including one in the articulating storage door/bin and auxiliary audio port. STD, assist steps, power retractable, running sideboard with LED lighting, wireless charging, located on the top of the center console, requires separately purchased adapter, wipers, front intermittent, rain sense, wiper, rear intermittent with washer, windshield, solar absorbing, windows, power with driver and front passenger express up/down and rear passengers express down. Wheels, 22x9, 55.9 cm by 22.9 cm, 7-spoke aluminum with premium paint and chrome inserts, upgradable to RPT, 22x9 6-spoke chrome multi-feature design wheels, SMI, 22x9 6-spoke chrome wheels or RVA, 22x9 dual 7-spoke ultra bright finish aluminum wheels. Wheel, full-size spare, 17, 43.2 cm, steel, universal home remote includes garage door opener, 3-channel programmable. Visit us today. Live a little. Stop by Laird Wheaton located at 2590 Bowen Road, Nanaimo, British Columbia V9T3L3 to make this car yours today.